For the types of settings that you're going to have students working with coding and curriculum, it's really helpful to have a paired or group environment. So in a paired environment, you might have a student that is the driver and another one that is the navigator. So the driver is the one that's controlling the keyboard and moving the mouse around, whereas the navigator is the one sort of reading the instructions that are on the Kano and then kind of, telling the driver how to move around on the Kano. And then if you have to have an environment where you have more than 2 students that are on the Kano, then what you want to do is assign really specific roles for those students. So you have the driver and navigator, but then you also have the timekeeper. Maybe you have someone who's actually recording the information in the engineering journals when they're remixing or kind of editing the challenges in different type of coding environments they're in. The more students you add towards the Kano or towards a coding environment, the more roles and responsibilities that are really set and defined for them so that you don't have students that are disengaged from the learning environment.
We've seen a range of models for how educators have brought Kano to their learning spaces, ranging from one-to-one interaction to group learning. It really depends on the objectives that you're trying to meet, the students, and the resources that you have available. So for example, to introduce a new concept or to really make sure that students engage, you might want to foster a one-to-one interaction where each student gets the chance to build their computer and to power it up and feel that sense of confidence. However, to make sure that you're bringing 21st century learning skills like collaboration and problem solving in groups to the classroom, you might on another day have students work in groups together to design a solution to a community problem, for example. And in that case, it's important to assign different roles to different students in the group. So one student might be the researcher where they're looking up information about different community problems. And another student might be thinking about how to design their solution using code. And then the students can share and compare and work together to solve problems using the skills that they've acquired.